Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to check you like it video on YouTube. Friends, in today's video, I will tell you how you can watch your liked videos on YouTube. First of all, open your YouTube app and click on your profile at the right bottom. When you click on your profile, you will see an interface like this. Now here you will see the playlist of liked videos in the playlist area. You have to simply click on it. Now here you can see all my like it videos, which I have liked from the beginning till now. In this way, you can see all your liked videos on YouTube. You liked this video, then subscribe the channel. See you in the next interesting video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.